Hey everyone, welcome back to Dev Journey Hub. In this video, we're diving into lesson 2 of our TypeScript series, setting up TypeScript. If you've never used TypeScript before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have everything ready to start coding like a pro. Section 1. Installing Node.js and TypeScript. Alright, first things first, we need Node.js. It comes with npm, which we'll use to install TypeScript. Head over to nodejs.org and download the LTS version. Install it like any regular app. Once installed, open your terminal and type node-v and npm-v. If you see version numbers, you're good to go. Now, let's install TypeScript globally using this command. npm install -g TypeScript. Then check the version to make sure it works. tsc-v. Awesome, we now have the TypeScript compiler installed. Section 2. Creating a TypeScript project. Let's now set up a basic TypeScript project. First, we create a new folder for our project. This makes a new directory called typescript-intro. Next, we move into that folder. Now we're inside the project directory and ready to set things up. Finally, we initialize a Node.js project. This creates a package.json file automatically with default values. It's like giving our project a formal introduction to the Node ecosystem. Section 3. Configuring TypeScript with tsconfig.json. Next, let's create a TypeScript config file. Run this command, tsc-. It creates a tsconfig.json file with lots of options. We'll simplify it for now. This JSON bar is a TypeScript configuration file snippet. Specifically, the compiler options section. Here's what each option means. With target S2 or 16, then it tells TypeScript to compile your code into JavaScript that's compatible with ECMAScript 2016, also known as S7. With module commands, this sets the module system to commands, which is used in Node.js. So instead of using import, export, it compiles down to require and module.exports. Without dir, /dist, this is where your compiled JavaScript files will go. TypeScript will take your .ts files and output.js files in a dist folder. Example, from SC, index.ts will compile to this index.js. With rootdir, /src, this tells the compiler where to find your source TypeScript files. That helps keep the folder structure organized when compiling your project. Only files in the SC folder will be compiled. With strict true, this enables strict type checking. It activates several safety checks like no implicitly, strict no checks, strict function types. Basically, it helps catch bugs before they happen. Highly recommended for better code quality. My tip: this config is great for small to medium TypeScript projects. If you need extra settings like aliases or JSX support, you can extend it as needed. Section 4. Writing your first TypeScript file. Let's write our first TypeScript file. Run these commands. Make dir src. This creates a folder named src, which stands for source. Next, create a new file and save it as index.js in the SC folder you just created. Inside index.ts, write this code. We define a greet function using an arrow function syntax. It takes one parameter, name, and we tell TypeScript it must be a string. That's type safety in action. Inside the function, we use a template literal to print out a greeting, hello, name. And finally, we call the function with Dev Journey Hub as the argument. Section 5. Compiling TypeScript to JavaScript. Now let's compile it. In the TypeScript-intro project, just type tsc. This compiles your TypeScript into JavaScript in this folder. Now run it using Node. You should say, hello, dear Journey Hub. So running tsc will compile all the TypeScript files in the sc directory and output the JavaScript files into the this directory. Auto-compile with watch mode. Want to recompile automatically when you save, use watch mode. tsc --watch. This will recompile whenever you make changes. Super handy. Wrap up what we did today. Let's recap what we did today. Installed Node.js and TypeScript. Initialized a project. Created a config file. Wrote TypeScript code. Compiled and ran it. You now have a fully working TypeScript setup. Great job. After what's next? In the next lesson, we'll explore basic types in TypeScript, like number, string, boolean, and more. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next lesson. Got questions or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching Dead Journey Hub. See you in the next video.